Hi, Julie. Hey, you guys. How are y'all doing? It's Amy. I've got Sprout here. She's taking a bath or soak, actually. It's really dry here. The weather has been anything but nice. Everything is frozen. We have ice on the ground. It's freezing outside. So I have Tatum in the house, and Tatum stole her light, her UV light. So he's got her UV light, and that's why it's not on the table, and everything looks pretty bad. Sorry about that. I hope that helps. I just turned on a lamp, hoping that helps a little bit. This is my 4 or 5 month old baby Russian Tortoise, Sprout. She's taking a bath. I usually soak her for between 5 and 15 minutes a day to make sure she's got the right hydration. She's a desert tortoise, but she still needs water regardless. And fun fact about Russian tortoises, they can drink through their nose and they can drink through their cochlea. And their cochlea is what they use the bathroom with. I guess their butthole. If you guys could y'all share my live with somebody who likes tortoises or reptiles in general? I have a bearded dragon, 3 ball pythons, and 2 tortoises. I also have a parrot named Petrie, and did I say my dogs and my cats? I've got 3 cats and 2 dogs. And right now we're all kind of hibernating in the house. I had to bring Tatum in the house. He's my big boy. He's the OG on my channel. If you've seen any of my videos, I haven't really done a lot with him right now. I haven't done a lot with him in a hot minute because it is so cold. It's genuinely really cold. Oh, she's getting a drink, y'all. Did you guys see that? She's getting a drink. Yay, good girl, Sprout. Get that much needed hydration, girl. Oh, hi, Lucy. How are you doing? Hey, you guys, if y'all don't follow Strange Exotics, please follow Strange Exotics. Lucy is the owner on that channel, and she's amazing. It's great. I'm doing really good. Thank you. So if you guys are looking to follow another TikToker who has exotic animals and or reptiles, please follow Strange Exotics. Lucy just got to the point where she can go live now. So she's going to start doing some lives with her animals, which will be like super cool. Either one. If you want to go live with me, I can add you. You're more than welcome. And then I can go live with you if you want. It's your choice, honey. Any way you want to go. Oh no. That's a sin right there. That is a sin. Lucy just spilled her coffee, and that's not good. That's no bueno. That's like me running out of soda. We can't do that. That's definitely a sin. But you guys, this is my 4-month-old Russian Tortoise Sprout. She's a baby. And this is a really small bathtub. Even though she can swim in it, it's really small. It's important to soak your younger tortoises at least once a day to give them hydration, because they need proper hydration for their shell to grow right. Otherwise, they'll get pyramiding in their shell, and you don't want that. So I'm doing my best to keep her as well hydrated as I can, even though it is so dry out here. It's just dry. Just like really dry. I can tell that because my skin is really dry. So if my skin is dry, you gotta know that hers is really dry too. Excuse me. And you guys, can y'all believe it? My husband had COVID and I didn't catch it. Whoop, whoop. Props for Lysol. What, Ladybug? You really don't want to go outside right now. I mean, seriously. Y'all think my dog wants to go outside right now? That's ice. That's not snow. We live in the DFW area in Texas. We don't get snow. We get ice. There's a huge difference. I'm trying to convince my dog she's going to hurt herself if she goes outside. You will fall, Ladybug. You will bust your butt. You don't want to go outside right now. Y'all hear her grumping at me? She's grumping. I'm telling you right now, Ladybug, you don't want to go outside. My dog drinks about a gallon of water a day, literally. Oh, she's blinking. She's winking at you guys. Y'all see that? I know she's done. She gets done with her soak when she starts getting... I have an American Bulldog, Lucy. She's only about 120 pounds. Oh, look who's on here. Taco the Sulcata. Awesome. Hey, man, how are you doing? I have a Chihuahua. Lucy, I have a Chihuahua, and I have a 120-pound American Bulldog. What? You got water. Dad just gave it to you. Open the door. You might not want to go outside, Ladybug. It's going to be hard to walk. You're going to bust your butt. Sorry, y'all. You have a Chihuahua? Ah. Gotta love those little dogs, but I love big dogs too. Oh, and I'm good, Taco. We're getting cold. We don't get snow, we get ice. And we got some last night. I'll show you. Ready, get set. Pay no attention to the messy house. That's straight up ice, you guys. That is not snow. And where's my dog? Where's my dog? There's her butt. That's the front of her. That's Ladybug. When she starts getting fidgety, she's done. She doesn't want to be in the water no more. Gosh, we got a lot of people on, kind of, sort of. If you guys could share my live, that would be awesome. The more people we get on here, we all 8 torts. You got all 8 torts inside? I hope so. You have fun with that. My dad asked me, what are you going to do with the tortoise if the lights goes out? And I said, I guess I got to sleep with them. I have Tatum in the house. Tatum is in Petrie's room. I have the room split in half. Petrie gets the TV and the window. Tatum gets the heater and the light. You just requested what, darling? Oh, I didn't see it, honey. I didn't see it. Hang on. You're on.
Howdy. Can you hear me?
We got Taco, the sulcata, in the house. Hey, man, are you there? Or did you mute me? Were you not ready? We're having technical difficulties, you guys. Not sure what's going on. Okay, letting the dog in. Getting veggies for the tortoise. You guys hang on a second. Watch out, bud. Okay, got this, got this. Need paper towel, dry the torty off with. Okay, let's get torty out of water. Boop, boop. And we're gonna move the bathtub back here, pick the tortoise up, scoot torty back. Let's scoot you back, kid. Where are you going? Calm down. Not sure what she's doing, but okay. Oh, she just didn't want kale. She's being very picky right now. She didn't want the kale. She wanted the green leaf lettuce. And I usually go outside and pick weeds, but yeah, today is not going to be one of those days. Oh, you're good.
Can you hear?
Hey, you on?
Yep. Can you hear me?
I hear you just fine. How's
There's
it going?
good. There's Big D and Taco.
Aw. I usually keep Tatum in the living room when it's cold like this, but since I have my kitchen table set up and I've got the other tortoise on the table, yeah, I'm kind of renting out a room, so he's sharing Petrie's room right now, which Petrie is not happy about, mind you. He's never been around Tatum before, so he doesn't know what that giant potato is walking around. And I'm just like, dude, it's okay. It's a tortoise. It's not gonna hurt you. He gets pissed though. He's such a mean parrot. I've had some mean birds before, but damn, he's mean. Aww,
There's my little leopard.
so pretty. My husband was looking at leopard tortoises and saying I should get one.
And
But
then there's Snoop Dogg and the other little Aldabra.
are you gonna start breeding?
The Aldabras I will.
Well, you be making money hand over fist doing that, man.
If I have a male and a female.
Well, hopefully you do. Are they from the same clutch?
Nope. One
Sweet.
of them's 10 pounds, the other one's still a baby, so I got a ways to go. There's the little sulcata that I rescued.
Ah,
He's
the
going to
one.
another home.
Oh, the one that had never had a light or anything
No,
before.
this one's a different one. This one is a little baby that came from someone else. And then little Peanut.
Lucy just asked what lizards. He doesn't have any lizards. He only has tortoises that I know of.
Yeah, just your standard lot lizards outside. But yep, that's little Peanut.
Aw.
Always in the food bowl.
Hey, the growing tortoise, they need their food.
Mm-hmm.
Always, always. What else do they have to do?
Yeah, exactly.
No, he's showing off he's got aldabras, sulcatas, and leopard tortoises.
Let's see. Yeah, Big D. He's uh he's the biggest one.
Those are his beautiful sulcatas that he grew with the correct humidity.
Old Taco right here.
Aww. Tatum's on the other side of the house, or I would have Tatum on. But
Yeah.
I can manhandle. I can still manhandle Sprout. So
Yeah,
yeah,
this guy, he's doing real good. He has almost no pyramiding.
beautiful. Somebody asked me the other day if I put anything on Sprout's shell. I'm like, nope.
I usually get just a toothbrush and get theirs cleaned. But it's too cold right now to do
Yeah,
that. And there goes
Tatum's never had a bath before.
never.
Never. I've
Oh, I
never.
love baths.
I've never scrubbed him. Nothing. He's just um, naturally beautiful. You can say. Mm.
Oh yeah. Taco's looking around.
Ready for dinner?
Oh, and he just pooped. I
Yes.
love when he does that with his little legs.
Oh, when they just sprawl out.
Uh-huh.
Aw.
But yeah, let me pull out the leopard. Well, you can really see its true colors.
Oh, that's so pretty. That's beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Where did you find that one?
This one came from New Jersey.
Lucy said stunning. They're beautimous.
Oh yeah, I like my little baby Aldabra.
Aldabras are just jet black, aren't they?
Yeah, they're just jet black.
They're so beautiful. I like Aldabra's faces. They have a round face. I think they're beautiful. Whereas my sulcata's got more of a pointy nose, I think, than Aldabras
Mm-hmm.
have.
Yeah, these little guys are awesome. And that one's going to the bathroom. Go eat. And then little old Snoop Dogg, that's my son's.
Aw. Did they cancel school for you guys today?
Mm-hmm. Well, Martin Luther King Day.
Oh, my bad. I don't even know what day of the year it is right now. That that's pretty sad. My life revolves around tortoises, and I'm just worried about them getting too cold. I
Yeah.
don't even want to know what my electric bill is going to be this year.
Oh, and I'm running 4 ceramic heat emitters and a red light in mine outside.
Oh, bless your heart.
I had to pull them in yesterday because even in the 30s, it was still hitting 111 in their house.
Oh my gosh.
So I was like, nope, too hot.
That's crazy. We have desert tortoises and 100's just too hot.
Uh huh.
The summer was a real bitch, pardon my language, but it was. The summer was ridiculous, stupid hot.
Oh, it was. Mine stayed indoors or in their little house.
Yeah,
Let me see if I can.
Ethan was in his hole.
Let
He
me
had a
go.
hole in the ground.
Yeah, let me go grab Peanut real quick. This little guy is so tiny. It's so funny. Hold on.
Lucy, you can go ahead, go live, and I'll just jump on later if you want.
All right. Yeah, there's little Peanut. Little baby.
Because I usually stay on as long as Sprout's eating.
Mm-hmm. Well, I was just want to jump on to show you.
Oh, right on. Thank you.
Uh-huh. And y'all be careful in that weather.
Oh, Lord, I ain't going nowhere.
Neither am I.
Animals to take care of. My husband's going to work soon, so that should be fun.
Oh, fun.
Yeah.
Well, all right. Well, I'll let you get back to your live. I just wanted to show them to you real quick.
Okay, right on. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Love having you.
All right. You too.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, that was Taco and Big D, and you guys can follow him too. He's really, really nice, and he's got some Aldabras and some Sulcatas. He's a tortoise geek like I am. Someone save me if you will. Take away all this pain. In case y'all didn't realize, I'm singing and dancing here in the background. This is my favorite band ever in the history of music. They are just amazing. Valley girl, how are you doing? And Beth, thank you for following me. I appreciate that. Welcome to the Crazy Train. I'm Amy. This is Sprout. We have 3 ball pythons, 2 tortoises, one being a sulcata, the other one is a Russian, also known as a Horsefield's, if you didn't know that. Usually I'm outside right now picking weeds for Sprout because I try and feed her as naturalistically as I can. But being as it's completely iced over outside, I'm not going outside. Lord knows I can't walk on this. Nobody can. And you definitely can't drive in it. So I do ask, if you don't follow me, please follow me. I'm Amy. This is Sprout. That you're on Life with Reptiles. I'm a super duper duper nice person. I'm very helpful and I care about everybody and everybody's animals. And my job on TikTok is to educate, help make your life a little easier, and help you be able to enjoy your reptiles more. I'm also balling on a budget, you guys, so I try to do things as cost effective as I can to help you out because I know this gets expensive. And sometimes there are certain times in people's lives where they have these amazing reptiles and they want to take the best care of them, but they can't afford to do it. And it's not that they might not be able to afford it. Maybe they don't know that there are less expensive options out there. And I try and help people find that. Also, if you have any questions about any reptiles that you might have, I will try to answer that question to the best of my ability. If I don't know the answer to that question, I will either look it up or get you in touch with another person who takes care of those animals and would be better educated about it than I am. Because I don't know everything about everything. I'm not like super duper smart. I've just had reptiles most all of my life. My favorite reptiles are tortoises. I love tortoises. I think they're amazing animals. Okay, Lucy, when I get off here, I'll jump on yours. Good afternoon, Kathy. Is it Kathy or Katie? How are you doing? I always get that messed up. You're Kathy. I don't wear my glasses because I hate wearing glasses. Okay, Lucy, whatever you want to do, sweetie. You guys, I am so cold right now. I'm sitting next to a big glass door and the cold air is coming through it. So I'm probably going to have to jump off. I'm sorry, Lucy. I got to jump off. I'm freezing.
It's okay. That's fine. I can.
but
I'll
I'll jump
be
on yours.
doing mine, yeah, soon here.
Okay. I'll jump on yours, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
Awesome. Bye, sweetheart.
Okay, see you there.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Hey, you guys, that was Lucy with Strange Exotics. If y'all don't follow her, she's amazing and super sweet. So please follow Strange Exotics. And I am going to jump off with you guys because I'm freezing and I don't want this tortoise to get cold. And it's really cold over here. And I don't have her heat light. So I am going to jump off, but I will leave you guys with this little bit of information. My name's Amy. This is Sprout. She's my Russian. And I love you all. And I hope you make today awesome. Have a great day. Bye.